Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone! In this video, I will explain how to get cards for the game Tales. The only way to acquire new cards directly from the game's official distribution is by opening booster packs. Each sealed pack contains a set number of cards, usually 15, giving you a chance to find exciting additions for your collection. This is the primary and exclusive method for expanding your card pool. Let's dive into what you can expect inside these valuable booster packs. Each pack is sealed, ensuring a completely random selection of cards. You'll usually find one rare or even a highly sought-after mythic rare card. The rest of the pack is filled with a mix of common, uncommon, and essential basic land cards, all contributing to your growing collection. Now, where can you get your hands on these crucial booster packs? You can purchase them from your friendly local game stores, which often have a great community. They are also widely available through various online retailers. Keep an eye out for official game events too, as these sometimes offer packs as exciting prizes or for simply participating, adding to your card-finding adventure. To truly maximize your card collection, consider opening multiple packs. Many players find that buying a full booster box, which contains 36 packs, offers the best value and highest chance for rare finds. Also, participating in pre-release events is a fantastic way to get early access to new card sets before their general release, giving you a head start on your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.